here in Impact Lakefront to witness the Starry Night Countdown. And kita ka anak bracelet na siya kay kung wala kay ingon anak wala kay karapatan mag-eat later part.
So this is the place. So darita mag-countdown daw later. Wow, so nice. Look at that. So fireworks later. So we will see it in countdown.
Unya na ko ng fruit.
Unya na. Kadili na na maigo. Sakan. Gan ba kayo food, Dad? My God. A lot of food in here. Napa dito. Oh my God. Unsa man. Yeah. Look at that.
Kita mo ng mga food ni bali ko din kay actually nag-refill sila og another food so lami kaayo kay shrimp na ang murag steamed lang bitaw siya so nangaya ko ani nga food kay it's mora niya ko ang gikuha lang sa nga food no yummy kaayo so bahalag magbalik-balik ka so kana pong shrimp special order ni Kuya Lester and kini because we love seafood. And kay birthday man ni Twinkle and Nestor on December 25 and wala man sila nag-uban sa iyang Kuya Lester so nag-special greet special greet happy birthday Twinkle and Star so yes na ay pa-fruit na marag cake may cake so yeah kakit Japon ko ayos
To Kuya Lester, Dad. To Kuya Lester.
Ako na po.
Di siya
For my son.
Yay! Picture na picture. Yay! For me. Mamba. Yay! Santa Claus. Picture here.
Kayo, dalawa sa kanya, sa akin isa lang.
Come here, picture. Wow. Yay, picture. Practical gift lah. Okay, smile. Okay, practical gift. Christina.
Pero gihago-hagoan yung nagpili.
Thank you. This is for Empress. Oh, thank you from Twins, Ati Twins Empress. Thank you.
Okay, let's open the gift. Ito change from Alex. Dad from Alex. Dad from Alex. Pakita nito from Alex. Thank you. Mine. Yes. For Empress. Baby girl.
From Alex.
Thank you, Alex.
Sige, Dad, simple ka, Dad.
Wow.
Wala, na-mix na yung perfume.
Wala, tsada kayo.
Yeah.
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you, Alex. Mucha.
Sulit kayo ang gift para sa bata okay nagpalit mi Rubik's kanang cube and then naman day maayo kaayo din nga fry boy nga master. So actually kani siya is behind the scene. So si Twinkle man ang nag-video ani as boomerang and tsada gid kayo ang resulta pero ako wala lang behind the scene lang. And the chocolates unya ra gid ka Ferreruha ka. And dire na nag-refill na po sila century egg, sila alat na egg, and then kani spicy. So, yeah, mana to ang picture taking. And while waiting for the countdown sa fireworks and it's here.
Happy Ross.